In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to your Google Business Profile. This process is straightforward and can greatly enhance your business's online presence. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to business.google.com. This will bring you to the Google Business homepage, where you can begin managing your business profile. When you get there, locate the Sign In button at the upper right corner of the page. You'll need to click on it, and a prompt will appear, asking you to sign in using the email account that's associated with your business. This could be your Gmail account or any other email service you use for your business operations. Once you've successfully signed in, if you've logged in previously, you might be redirected straight to your business page, which is a convenient feature that saves you a bit of time. However, if that's not the case, you might need to manually search for your business. You can do this by heading over to Google Search and typing in your business name, or simply My Business. When you arrive at your Google Business dashboard, the next step is to look for the section that allows you to edit products. This is where the magic happens. Once you locate it, you'll see an option to get started. Click on it, and it will guide you to a new interface where you can begin adding your products. Now it's time to provide some details about your product. Be sure to fill in the product name, description, price, and don't forget to upload an appealing image. A good image can make a significant difference in attracting potential customers, so choose one that best represents your product. Once you've entered these details, you'll encounter a category section. Click on the drop-down menu here to select a category for your product. In some instances, you might need a more specific category that's not listed. If that happens, simply select the option to create a new category and type in the category that best fits your product. With all necessary details filled out, it's time to make your submission official. Click on the Publish button, and your product will be on its way to being part of your business profile. It's important to note that Google will need to verify your products before they appear live. This verification process ensures that all products adhere to Google's guidelines, maintaining the quality of information on their platform. So don't worry if your products don't appear immediately, just give it a little time, and there you have it. That's how you add products to your Google Business Profile. Remember, keeping your product information up to date is key to making your business stand out to users searching online. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the next one.